Top 5 Nonstick Cookware Set. A nonstick cookware set is a kitchen essential that simplifies cooking and cleanup. Typically comprising a variety of pots and pans coated with a nonstick surface, these sets prevent food from sticking during cooking. This feature not only makes cooking more convenient but also facilitates easier cleaning afterward. Nonstick cookware sets come in various brands, sizes, and materials to suit different cooking preferences and budgets. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, investing in a nonstick cookware set can greatly enhance your cooking experience, making it a popular choice for kitchens worldwide. Number 5. Gotham Nonstick Cookware. The Gotham Steel Pots and Pans set, curated by Chef Daniel Green, consists of 12 pieces of cookware designed for optimal cooking performance. This 2023 edition set boasts an ultra-nonstick ceramic coating that ensures food slides off effortlessly, making it a breeze to cook and clean. It's 100% PFOA-free, ensuring safety in your kitchen. The Stay Cool handles offer comfort and safety during cooking, and the cookware is metal utensil and dishwasher safe, adding to its convenience. For those looking for a reliable and up-to-date cookware collection, the Gotham Steel 12-piece set offers a versatile and practical solution for your culinary needs. Number 4. GreenLife Nonstick Cookware. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 16-piece kitchen cookware set is a comprehensive and health-conscious kitchen companion. This set includes pots, frying pans, and sauce sauté pans in an attractive turquoise color. What sets it apart is its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, which ensures a healthier cooking experience. It comes with kitchen utensils and lids, adding to its versatility. Plus, the cookware is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. Whether you're a health-conscious cook or simply seeking a stylish and practical cookware collection, the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece set offers a fantastic combination of safety, convenience, and aesthetics for your kitchen. Number 3. Amazon Basics Nonstick Cookware. The Amazon Basics Nonstick Cookware 15-piece set, featuring a collection of pots, pans, and utensils in a classic black color, offers a practical and budget-friendly choice for your kitchen. This cookware set provides versatility and convenience with its range of essential kitchen items. The nonstick coating ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning. Whether you're a beginner cook or looking for a reliable everyday cooking solution, this set covers your basic cooking needs. With its affordability and functionality, the Amazon Basics Nonstick Cookware Set is a practical choice for those seeking a dependable cookware collection without breaking the bank. Number 2. Rachael Ray Nonstick Cookware. The Rachael Ray Classic Brights Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set, consisting of 15 pieces in a charming agave blue color, is a delightful addition to any kitchen. This cookware set is known for its exceptional quality and stylish design. It features hard anodized construction for durability and even heat distribution, ensuring consistent cooking results. The non-stick interior prevents food from sticking, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. With a variety of pots and pans included, this set is versatile and well-equipped for various cooking needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, the Rachael Ray Classic Brights Cookware Set adds a pop of color and functionality to your kitchen. Number 1. T-fal Nonstick Cookware. The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set, featuring 17 pieces of pots and pans in a sleek black design, is a remarkable addition to any kitchen. Known for its exceptional durability and even heat distribution, this cookware set makes everyday cooking tasks a breeze. It boasts a robust non-stick surface that ensures food doesn't stick, making cooking and cleaning up hassle-free. Moreover, the set is dishwasher safe, further simplifying the post-cooking cleanup process. With its versatility, reliability, and comprehensive assortment of cookware, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is a top choice for both amateur and professional chefs alike. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.